turn the star? Coco. 3. Yes.
I have upgraded to a spatula. After hours of mixing, we're going to add the powdered sugar.
What?
After millions and millions of years, I finally finished this. Okay, y'all, I'm so for real. Making that puppy chow took me 2 hours. Literally 2 hours. But I'm gonna get dressed. We're taking my hair out. I don't mind the shirt change. I did throw my shirt really quick. I don't mind my brother crying in the back, but my jeans are on. And now I'm gonna do my hair. I'm just gonna wet it first. So, yeah. So, yeah, and then do that to the other side. I seriously can't believe that puppy chow took me 2 hours. Like, what? I wasn't joking when I said I felt like it was taking a long time. I brushed my hair, did it, and put coconut oil on it. Now, oh my gosh.
What?
The hair stuff just spilled. Now I'm going to show you.
Mom!
I can't flip my camera because it's on the screen, but look what it just did. Because I had to go on my windowsill, and it's all over my phone. And the floor. Here's our food.
What's up, bro? He said, "Can I eat all of them?"
Delish. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope y'all are enjoying this vlog, and yeah.
Come on, let's go say your turn.
It's so cold outside, like I'm actually so serious.
It got its own shell. What?
We're trying our sweet potato pie. Oh my goodness, guys, it's snowing. We just kind of cleaned up our yard because it was kind of messy from our tree like falling. But basically we just lined the sticks along our like house. Look at this ice. Wow. Jeez. But this is like sticking snow, like we're gonna get a snowman out of it.
For my food.
Okay, y'all, thank you for watching this video and stay until the end. I hope y'all enjoyed my Thanksgiving weekend vlog thingy. I don't know what you want to call it, and I don't know what the title is yet, but thanks for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below if you made it to the end. Comment this emoji. But thanks for watching. Bye.